Today we're at the weird and wonderful theme park of Oakwood in Wales, and it's about a 25-minute drive from Sainsbury's in Tenby. Oh wait, look over there, a rabbit. So we're going to find out, is this the worst theme park in the UK, and has it got the best wooden coaster in the UK? Let's go.
She comes on like a rose, but everybody knows you can look, but you better not touch. Poison ivy, poison ivy.
Well, it's not a day in Wales without the rain.
First coaster of today, Megaphobia.
Is Megaphobia the best wooden coaster in the UK? It could be. Well, if it wasn't for Wickman with its theming, the pre-show and all that, if it's just for the ride experience, I think Megaphobia would be the best in the UK. But Megaphobia sadly doesn't have any theming, so Wickman wins this one. If Megaphobia did have theming, such as a wicker clown, it would be the best in the UK, as it's got good airtime, good steep drop, and it's just overall exciting.
We're about to go on Speed, No Limit, and fun fact, this ride has a top speed of 600 miles per hour. It's true, look it up. But unfortunately we can't really get any authorized footage because we're the only ones here and we're going to be the only ones going on this ride today. So got the whole train by ourselves.
Why is it? Oh, I've just got a water drop in my eye.
Misty.
This coaster is good, so much force, and being the UK's first Castlestein Eurofighter. Plus, it's not too much of a headbanger. It's quite surprising for being a Eurofighter. Also, it has one big hill.
So when I run, my trousers fall down. Look, watch this. Right, let's go on the ride.
How do you go that way?
I got another wheel.
For your car? Oh god, you're not going to get it off your
Got another wheel to my collection.
Your collection of now 2. It's a big collection, that one.
So, first of all, the car park. This car park is free. What's quite good for a theme park, having a free car park, and it's quite small. However, come over here. Tarmac. That's quite good. So I'll rate this car park an 8 out of 10. Car park. Cheese touch. So Oakwood Park, I find it's quite weird. It seems like if a community centre or a village hall has just put some roller coasters in their back football field, and yeah, it just a little bit seems abandoned. Some rides aren't working, but yeah, the thing is, these rides are good, just in a weird place. Weird.
Like I said, there's a few rides that are shut, but of course we're out for summer season, so it's quite understandable. And of course, Bounce is temporarily shut due to the incident earlier on this year. So that meant we could only go on 2 rides, and that was Megaphobia,
Speed.
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 Megaphobia.
Speed.
But some of the park does look derelict and left behind. It's a shame because I want this park to do well. They spent $2 million to retrack Megaphobia and done a new paint job on Speed this year. But there is some undergoing construction at the mini golf area. However, nothing has been done. It's overgrown and still a mini golf area. But I think with this area they could put a single rail coaster, as it can be compact, reliable and fun. So they could have the first launch coaster in Oakwood and the UK's first single rail coaster. Ooh. And maybe actually have a theme into a roller coaster. Maybe along the lines of celebrating the Welsh history and heritage with some castle ruins. Ooh, some near misses. Ooh.
Oakwood opened in 1987 as a very small family park with BMXs, a wooden fort, 3D style cinema experience show, go-karts and a water chute ride.
Also a big thank you to Oakwood Theme Park for letting us a free go on Vertigo. Ooh.
You having fun?
It was actually really fun to go on as you release your own quarter drop to doom. So, as it comes to the end of the day, do I think Oakwood is the worst theme park in the UK? No. It has some good coasters, it's just a weird theme park. It has had many problems in the past, but hopefully it has a bright future ahead.
So, to end the day, I'm going to finish off by eating this mic, as I am very hungry. It's been a long drive, so let's go and eat this mic on Megaphobia.
Rubber.
Rubber.
Rubber. Are you a wizard?